Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at Metawars, traffic light charts for Metawars just now. So currently we're sitting at 22 cents just now. So traffic light charts, red line is for your strong support, amber is for your resistance areas, and green is for your local highs. Anything above that, usually it's a kind of all-time high. Anything above that, we're going into price discovery. But let's take a closer look at Metawars. As I said, 22 cents at the moment. So this is done brilliantly. It's come back down. You can see this is a brilliant opportunity, in my opinion. Do your own research about Metawars. But they're going great guns. If you look at the Twitter feed and the kind of partnerships they've got, and the kind of launch pad and everything else, the planets, land sale, hopefully coming up soon as well. Just tweeted about that. So it's looking brilliant for Metawars just now. Obviously, it's come back down a wee bit because it did shoot up round about 100%. From where it was at 15 cents, kind of went all the way up to 30 cents, come back down a wee bit, which is understandable. So some people taking some profits, but we could come back down to around about the 13 cent area as well, and that still represents a really good opportunity. So I would say if we're kind of looking at an opportunity to get in to Metawars, probably round about now, if you're going to DCA in to Metawars, round about now would be a good time to do it. Or you could wait on it possibly coming back down to the 13 cent area, in line with kind of what Bitcoin's doing at the moment, and that would just be a beautiful opportunity to kind of get into Metawars and to get back to the price where it is just now. That'd be a 100% move, almost a 100% move. Now the next resistance area we've got is around about the 30 cent area. We've seen that kind of previously as being support and resistance as well previously, so that is the next area we're looking at. This is on the daily chart. And the next area above that, we're looking at 43 cents. And above that, we're looking at the local high of 64 cents with an all-time high of 89 cents. So as I said, so at the moment, 22 cents, which is still a 30x from where it launched at. And even if it goes down to 13 cents, that's still a 20x from where it launched at as well. So really good opportunity here. For Metawars, and the market cap is still low. Still got a high, fully diluted valuation, but with everything that they're doing, I don't mind this at all with the likes of Metawars. And they've got a lot of backers and a lot of people supporting this, a lot of calls supporting this as well. So looking good for Metawars. Might get a slight downturn in the short term over the next few weeks, but that would represent a brilliant buying opportunity. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.